Yeah, what's up everybody? TORNADO-NHL here, and I'm going in, and I finally made it into Division 1. Finally, after 14 seasons of playing, I made it. I have one game left, and I can clinch the Division 2 trophy. I needed a tie or a win. And I won against this person, K44, with 7-0. And just to take a prize of it, I'm going to open a pack. If I remember it right, I should have around 9.2k. 9.4. That's good. Let's see. One game away from playing in the Division 1. Let's see what Corey Perry can give me. Can it be an Ovechkin? But I need a change team. Change team, not a change team. Detroit. Oh, this was a hell of a bad pack. Postma, but still, it's good for the collections. Ivanskis, Quixel. Trade pile. Well, you see what I got. Checking Detroit change team, shooting Ivanskis and Ivansky and Anaheim logo. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this short video.